জি
What
স্যার,
happened
ফিভার
to you?
হয়েছিল।
What happened to you? Hmm? What happened to you, Afnan?
স্যার ঠান্ডা লেগেছিল।
For how many days? For this entire 3 months, 4 months?
নো স্যার।
Thanda is a common thing. Is everyone is suffering from thanda. So it's not a big deal. It's only 1 week matter, right? 3 months, 4 months you are absent. This is actually very long time, right? So we concentrate here today. We have with us Lamisa, right? Lamisa, Mithila, and then all of you. Mashafad is also there. So we have a recall of the things we did already in our last classes. You see here we gave all the notes in the Google Classroom. If you go through previous classes, you'll get this way notes. Huh? Here we gave notes. It's 24th. Huh? We started new topic 8 and 9 together, and we are continuing topic 8. Okay, topic 8, we did this on 24th, different energy forms. Till wind energy we discussed. Then after that, on 25th, we did more. You see, we continued different forms of energy. We had nuclear energy, geothermal, solar, sound energy.
Sir,
Yes, you
can
see,
you please?
yeah. Hello, hello,
Hello,
yeah. Say.
hello. Sir, can you please tell the fission and fusion in short once
Fission
more?
and fission, we will discuss more later. Okay, we have
Oh,
this
okay.
discussion. No problem. Don't worry. So we have transformation of energy. Transformation of energy. We have then after transformation of energy, we see we have this conservation of energy law, principle of conservation of energy. We had before block diagram of thermal power station. They who missed the class, please take this note. Very important. We had kinetic energy formula, gravitational potential energy formula, how to calculate what is what. Then we had application of conservation law of energy at different stages, how we are getting the potential energy, gravitational potential energy, kinetic energy. Here we got. Then after that we had more notes here on renewable energy sources, non-renewable energy sources. Their examples. Here some major types of renewable energy, the examples. We have here non-renewable energy sources. Okay, this much we discussed in last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Today we will continue from there where we finished in last class. You see, we gave the learning outcomes in the Google Classroom also. This is on topic 8. So see here, we are done till D, learning outcomes D. Today we will continue from E. Though you have idea what is chemical energy, then how chemical energy is used in different steps, in different forms and transforms in electrical energy, till electrical energy in thermal power station we discussed it. Then we have hydroelectric generation, hydroelectricity generation, how it happens. Any idea, anyone?
No, sir.
Hello. How we are getting hydroelectricity?
Sir, by creating a dam, then we
There is
take
a
out the water in a force from.
turbine.
Okay, what is
Burning
the,
water in turbines.
yeah, what is the use of
Yes,
dam? Why we are making the dam?
To generate electricity from water.
Yeah, that is our target.
turbine steam.
But the first step, like if we are not making dam, then won't there be electricity?
There will be.
How?
Sir, there will be electricity.
What is the process? That's what we need to know. Like what is the function of dam? Why we are making the dam? In
To
hydroelectric
reduce the
generation,
water level.
you see at the beginning, Anmol said we in hydroelectric power plant or hydroelectricity generation, we make a dam, right? So it's required in hydroelectricity generation, we must have to make a dam, otherwise we will not get electricity. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So dam, it is a must in hydroelectricity generation. Now what is the function of that dam?
Like, so to store the water and then release it
Yeah,
in
yeah. If you
huge force.
store the water,
Yes.
you are storing the water at a higher place from the ground, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Very higher place, like maybe 50-meter high or 100-meter high. So when you are taking anything at a higher place, what kind of energy is stored over there?
Potential.
Gravitational potential energy. Be more specific, right? We
Yes,
said
sir.
gravitational potential energy. So gravitational potential energy is stored in the water in the dam, right? That
Yes,
is the
sir.
purpose of dam. Now this dam is made with some gates. Okay, those are called sluice gates. Okay, so these gates are opened according to our need. The gates are opened, and through those gates, the water is falling downwards, right? So if anything is falling from a higher place, okay, what kind of energy we are getting from there? If
Kinetic
something
energy.
is, yes, very good. That's converting to kinetic energy. The gravitational potential energy is converting to kinetic energy, right?
Kinetic.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So kinetic energy, that kinetic energy of water is starting the turbine, right? Which
Yes.
operates the generator to produce the electricity. You saw that in thermal power station we had these final three stages, right? turning the turbine by the steam, and then operating the generator to produce electricity, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
these last two steps are similar in even hydroelectric power station, right? Last two steps are similar to thermal power station, right? Isn't it? So you have to be very much clear about this, right? Isn't it? In thermal power station, if we go back, we have it in our notes, we have it. If we go back, then we'll get it, right? You see, you have the notes also, right? You have drawn it, right, everyone? The thermal power station, this one. Here, you see the kinetic energy of the steam is turning the turbine, right? So this part, turbine, generator, and load, this part is same, right? In the hydroelectric power station also. So what is the difference in hydroelectric power station? We are having at the beginning GP, then kinetic energy, right? That's it, isn't it? Hello,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Sir, at
Hello?
first we have GP, right?
Yes, GP, then KE, then again other steps are same. It's clear to you now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look here how the things are working. Now, another one, let us go for geothermal. What is geothermal?
Heat provided by the earth.
So geothermal means is the thermal energy underground, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
So the thermal energy underground we are getting from the areas where the volcanic areas, right?
Volcano.
Yeah. So in some areas of the earth, under the earth still there is hot, right? Very high temperature, right? So there we are getting this geothermal energy, and this thermal energy is used to produce high energy steam, like we did in the boiler. You see, we did it in the boiler, right? High energy steam. So
Yes, sir.
the same thing we are doing here with underground thermal energy. There we pass the water, and the other way around, in one way we give the water, cold water, other way around is coming high energy steam, which is turning the turbine. Then other steps are same. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So geothermal energy, we are getting only this first step different. Only we have here underground thermal energy we are using to produce the steam, high energy steam.
Yes, sir.
So you see there is a similarity, right? Similarity in the power stations. Then let us go for windmills, wind energy. What is done over there? Wind energy is going directly, right? Kinetic energy of the wind is turning the turbines, right? Isn't it? It's coming directly, huh? From the wind we are getting the kinetic energy that is turning the turbines, then operating the generator. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
So you have the some similarities in all the power stations. Then think about nuclear energy. Nuclear energy, how does it work? In nuclear reaction we are getting huge amount of energy, thermal energy, right? So there we don't have this kinds of fuel which we need to burn. Rather we have nuclear fuel that is called uranium or plutonium. That uranium and plutonium by chain reaction, nuclear chain reaction, it produces huge amount of thermal energy. That thermal energy is passed through this boiler. There is also boiler. So in nuclear power station we have boiler, but the first step we don't have chemical energy, we have nuclear energy. Okay,
Sir,
is it clear? In nuclear power
sir,
station, instead of chemical energy, what we have? Nuclear energy, right?
sir, can you please explain again?
Yeah, which one?
Nuclear, the nuclear
Nuclear
one.
energy. In nuclear energy, we have nuclear chain reaction. Okay, you will know it later. Fission, we'll discuss it later. Okay, so in nuclear power station, we are not burning the fuel. We have what? Nuclear reaction. What we have? Again, say again, everyone.
Nuclear reaction.
Nuclear reaction. So that nuclear reaction produces huge amount of thermal energy. Okay, this thermal energy is used in boiler, right? Isn't it? Hello, have you got it,
Yes, sir.
everyone? The other steps are
Yes,
same.
sir.
The other steps are simple, right? Exactly same. Only here
The
instead of
boiler gives us steam.
only here we have to replace chemical energy with nuclear energy. That's it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So all these are similar in some cases, and only one have difference, that is you see solar energy. Solar energy we are getting from the sun, right? And there we are getting also nuclear reaction, but that nuclear reaction is not like the nuclear power stations one. That is different. There would two hydrogen atoms combine together to produce helium. Okay, is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Two hydrogen
No, sir.
atom smashed together to produce, their nucleus is smashed together, joined together to produce a helium, and it also alongside it also produces huge amount of thermal energy. That thermal energy we are getting from the sun, okay, or stars. This way stars and sun, they are giving us the light and heat energy. Okay, more details we'll get later. There is one exclusively one topic, that is nuclear physics. Okay, atomic and nuclear physics, topic
The
26 and
radioactivity,
27.
all those things.
Yeah, all those things we'll do in class 10. Okay, class 10 or at the end of class 9 we'll do. Okay, topic 26 and topic 27, this those two topics together we'll do. Okay, there will get more details about nuclear, solar energy, how it is produced. So basically what we'll know, that the thermal energy we are getting and the light energy we are getting from the solar energy, that is used to the light energy we are getting, that is used to produce electricity by photoelectric effect. That electricity is stored in battery or cell, you know, IPS in our house, right? The way IPS is storing the electrical energy, the same way the sun's light energy is falling on metal, and that there we have electrons come out from the metal. That is called photoelectric effect. What is photoelectric effect? More details you'll get in A levels. Okay, A2. There is quantum physics. There will get more details. What is photoelectric effect? Just little bit idea you are getting now. So in solar
Yes,
energy, and we have two types of energy. One is light energy. Another one is what energy? Heat energy, right? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes.
So light energy is used to produce electricity, and heat energy is used to get the water or any other liquid get heated, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
have some solar cooker. There we are using the solar energy, heat energy, and in solar cell we are producing the electricity. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will
Yes, sir.
write some information from here. We will write some information like chemical energy. That one is already done. Now we will write whatever we discussed. We will try to write some information from here about the hydroelectric power station, what it is exactly. Hydroelectric power station, you see, hydro energy, energy transformation in hydroelectric power station. Okay, station. So are you seeing the diagram? Hello? Are you seeing the diagram? Hello?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this is real dam, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we have one in our country that is in Rangamati.
Kaptai.
Yeah? Rangamati, that is Kaptai area, Kaptai Lake. Did you go there?
Sir, I went to that power plant. Saw the turbine.
Yes,
You
sir.
went to that power plant. That is restricted area, right?
So that is restricted by but my uncle is in the Air Force, so we could visit
Your
that.
uncle is in the defense, that's why you could go, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I also went there. One of my friends is working there. I went in during the university time. One of my friend was had the posting over there, and I went there that time. Maybe 2000, around 2002, I went there. Okay, so you see the dam right here. Now we will write the information here. Right. In hydroelectric power station, hydroelectric power station, water is stored in a dam, bracket you write DP, okay? Then water is allowed to fall downwards. So this step we are getting kinetic energy, right? Got it? Kinetic energy of water. Here's the turbine. Which operates energy, right? Okay. Then you see in solar energy, we have light,
The light is the source, right? In solar energy.
yeah. We have light energy is used to produce electricity using solar cell by photo. Okay, how solar energy is used, we got the details here. Then we have geothermal energy, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
geothermal energy, can we store it?
It's already stored in the underground. We cannot actually store everything. It's a large scale thing, right? And it's not a very big source of energy. A little small, right? Very small. So
Oh,
it's there. That's why we are discussing. But it's not a big source of electricity. Okay. Or
okay, sir.
sometimes it's not that much economical. It's digging and the processing, everything is very expensive sometimes. Okay, that's why uh, we always don't do this. Okay, but in very limited scale we are doing it. Okay, geothermal energy is used to produce high energy steam, right? I'm showing you one geothermal power station, then you'll understand. Okay, the rest steps are similar to thermal power station. Okay. Yes, my place we have Messenger and Facebook is still down. Okay,
Yes,
that's why
sir. Our place also.
I don't know what is your
Sir, I
condition.
can use,
Anyone,
I
if
can
you
use
have
both.
the access to your Messenger, then you can send this snap to our group. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that will help you other students to get it now.
Sir, you will give it in Google Classroom, right?
Yeah, I am also taking the snap and I'm sending it in your Google Classroom. No
Okay.
problem. Like the previous one, in our last classes, the way I did, same way I'll do
Yes.
it for this one also. Yeah. In our next class, we will discuss about fission and fusion. Okay, I will give you also examples how the reaction is occurring, little bit idea, and more
Okay, sir.
details you'll get also in the topic 26 and 7. So, inshallah, you'll get some ideas. Okay.
Okay,
Then
sir.
at least you will be confident that yes, this way this is happening.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we are done today, right? Today we have no more time, right? Only 2 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
So today is 28, right? 28 tree, then image 1. Yeah, done. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Huh?
Okay, sir. Bye
Allah
bye,
Hafiz.
sir. Assalamu
Allah
alaikum.
Hafiz. Salam.